You ready? You need to put your head up. You need to put your head up. Go the other way. You're going to try to stand up. 1, 2. Oh, you got it on the third one? No. It's not abuse, she's laughing. Now get up. Are you gonna get up? Come here. Come on. You got it? So big. What? What do you want?
Just want the world to quit going like this. Up, Dad.
We see how baby.
Bella. Okay, come on. Bella.
What are you
Okay.
doing? Can you wave to mommy or grandma? Say wave! Wave!
Bella, over here.
Mom, get the hallway. Go over here. Let's see how far the baby flies. Are we gonna fly? Bella!
Bella, come here.
Come here! Come here! Come here. Bella!
Bella, up here, come on.
Come here!
Bella. Bella, Bella.
What?
Bella, Bella, come here.
Sit up! Lay down! A 1. A 2. A 3! What are you doing? Come here! You want it again? Lay down! A 1. A 2. A 3! Come here! Come here! A 1. A 2. A 3! Did you go farther that time? Come here. No more? You want to spin? You want more? Okay, come here. Sit down. Have a seat. Have a seat. Let's count. A 1. A 2. A 3. You see her smiling, Mom? More. Sign more. Not knuckle sandwich. More. Oh, 1. Gotta go. First we go like this. Then we'll go like that. And then we'll go.
You better go rescue her. She's gonna kill herself trying to get back.
Come here. Can you do it? Come here.
She's gonna do great on a ship.
1, 2.
I'm crying.
dancing baby. Do dancing baby. Dancing baby. How big are you? How big are you?
Bella.
One, 2, 3, 4. Do that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2. A third time's the charm. Third time's the charm.
I can't get too excited. Take my hand from it. Open.
1, 2.
Bella.
We're washing Grandma's floor, huh? Should we put some soap on your back? Can you wave to Grandma? Can you wave to Grandma?
Give me a kiss.
Grandma kisses?
Can I have a kiss?
I'm still a little dizzy, Daddy.
You can run around in circles till you're very, very dizzy, but you can do it both with one hand, Cinderella.